Yung PhilConsa, no, this is the group that you chair, Philippine Constitution Association, and nung weekend, I mean, a few days ago, you were quoted as saying that yung issue with the impeachment has raised grave constitutional questions and challenges the integrity of the impeachment process because ni-remand ng Senate yung articles of impeachment back to the House. I wonder if you could explain what you mean by that.
Yes, let me do it in a very abbreviated way. Number one, we believe that this order is against the Constitution, especially the provision which gives the House of the Representatives the exclusive power to initiate impeachment proceedings. Ang gustong sabihin nun ay yung pag-question ng validity ng articles of impeachment ay may sariling panahon at nagtatakda din kung sino ang dapat mag-raise ng punto na ito. Hindi yung sinasabi nila na dapat maliwanag na may compliance doon sa 1-year rule. Hindi naman jurisdictional yun eh. Yun it goes to the cause of action of the House prosecutors. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi naman dapat mauna yan, yung issue na yan, na desisyonan ng impeachment court. Yan dapat i-raise noong respondent nung Vice President as one of her affirmative defenses. Pero kung gano'n ang proseso, ang gusto sabihin, ay pababayaan muna na yung prosecution nang magpresenta ng kanilang ebidensya. I-prove nila na may cause of action sila. At pagkatapos noon, ay turn naman ng defendant to raise all issues which form part of their affirmative defenses. At ang isa dyan na may raise nila ay yung violation ng 1-year rule. Ganon ang proseso. Hindi dapat unahin yan. At lalong-lalo na, hindi dapat ang nagre-raise yan ay yung members ng impeachment court. Kung hindi, ay mapapaghinalaan sila na sila ay may kinikiligan. More or less, that is our sense of the situation.
Chief Justice,
at nire-raise namin yung mga issues na yan para tulungan yung ating impeachment court na maayos yung mga orders, hindi ma-question with respect to their constitutionality and their legality para umusad na yung trial ng impeachment court. Hindi kami nakikialam sa magiging resulta niyang trial, whether the decision will be for conviction or for acquittal. We leave that to the judgment of the impeachment court. Ang dapat lang matulungan natin yung impeachment court na yung mga orders ay hindi ma-question so that whatever is their decision will enjoy more credibility.